Hi everyone. Mace, rope mace, works all over shoulders, lots, grip, joints, back and strengthening strikes. Helps with different striking and throwing someone over. Throw hard but control it. Start with low figure of 8, and then high end swing harder as you get comfortable and move body left to right. There are other ways to swing, but I'm not confident to do that yet. There's high and low rotation. There are different ways to rotate this. We'll show you on a next video. Try these first. See how you get on. It really helps to push heavier. I'll leave few mace and rope mace hacks. Check my links. Take care, train safe, subscribe, like and share.